So good morning, guys. We are now leaving Rome and going to Abruzzo to stay at probably the highlight of our Italian trip, what goes for accommodation. There's going to be our own private pool, an outdoor pizza oven, and it's a big fenced garden, so Charlie's going to love it. So yeah, we can't wait to show you guys. It's going to be so nice. Just a little relaxed break from all the traveling and, you know, catch up on maybe some sleep.
Someone's honking their horn again, and I don't know why. It's like...
You never know why. Sometimes I think they're just saying hi by honking.
Yeah, it seems that way. It's just a continuous...
Honk-a-honk.
Yeah, continuous honk-a-honk. That's what traffic in Italy is.
Yeah. I do think it's a bit sad that I didn't get to have the pasta yesterday because I was really looking forward to trying that one dish I found.
So if you didn't watch the last video, we actually walked to a restaurant, but someone forgot to check if it was open.
And it wasn't.
Yeah.
It had like a separate vegan menu and like seafood and meat dishes as well, but it was like a big vegan menu, and I was so excited because usually when we go somewhere, unless we go to a vegan restaurant, it's like one thing I can eat and it's usually a burger. Quite tired of burgers now.
Or a pizza without cheese.
Yeah, so yeah, I knew what I was gonna have, and it wasn't open until like 6 o'clock in the evening. All the restaurants open so late here. I don't do people not eat during the day? They drink coffee in the morning and then they don't eat, or what's the case here?
I think so.
Yeah, so I do feel a bit sad that I didn't get to eat the pasta, but hopefully I will find a pasta dish for me still whilst in Italy, because I haven't had a single pasta.
Me neither.
And we need to have pasta. We can't be in Italy and not have pasta. Like what? So we're actually an hour early now. It was like a traffic jam on the way.
Yeah.
So it took 15 minutes off, but now we're an hour early. So we're just gonna walk with Charlie and Lisbeth by the motorway.
So the Italians seem to be really good at traffic jams actually. Because every day we seem to drive into 2 or 3 traffic jams. It's like a daily thing here.
Yeah. We're a little bit early still. We stopped and filled up the car before going there. And look at the view from this gas station. It's just amazing. I can't wait to see the place. Although I don't think it's like a great view from it, but it's okay. We got a pool and a pizza oven.
So, we just arrived at the villa and I think we might have outdone this. I mean...
I can't believe we're alone here to start with.
This place is insane!
it's crazy to think that we were thinking of renting another place. It was a
Yeah.
bit cheaper.
Yeah, it was like 90 euros cheaper for 3 nights, and she was thinking about it.
Yeah.
But
This is insane.
Yeah.
Also, we didn't expect this because first of all, it looked smaller in the pictures.
yeah, much more. It was way bigger in person.
And we were like, oh, we're gonna spend time outside anyway, so it doesn't matter what it looks like inside. But now when we saw the inside, it's just amazing. I can't believe this. Oof. Okay, let's come here. Daddy! Hi! Are you there? Is Daddy there? Whoa! Careful! 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 Are you happy?
So Charlie loves the garden.
I mean, he really liked the old garden, but this one, he is just in ecstasy. First of all, they were like, oh, you can have a drink here, you can have a drink here, you can have a... No, 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 no. Look at this place. You can just sit here, read, you can eat here. You can wait for the pizza oven to get ready.
Oh yeah, we have a proper outdoor kitchen with a barbecue and a pizza oven. That's what you've been waiting for, right?
Yeah, and a sink where you can wash up.
Yeah, and then we have a pool.
It is massive.
That's what she said.
I'm scared he's gonna fall in. Like one Airbnb I looked at, if they found one dog hair in the pool, you were fined like, can't remember how many hundreds of euros. We've got a beer fridge.
Yeah,
And it's massive.
there's a fridge next to the pool.
And sun loungers. You can jump in the pool. I won't be doing that, but you can. You know.
Actually, excellent privacy here because there's like literally no neighbors. And we are up on a hill.
Oh, and remember what I said about the view? I don't know what that the review was about because here is a fantastic view. And wait till we show it from the balcony.
Yeah, because we didn't really expect a view. Thought it was like a kind of like a flat land. That's what I thought, at least.
Yeah, and someone said in a review that they were disappointed with the view.
Yeah, but it's actually up on a hill, and we have a balcony on the second floor.
Where you can have sunset drinks, they said.
Apparently, this place is made for drinking. What are you doing?
He fell up the stairs.
How does one fall up?
I don't know, but he is going crazy.
So anyway, this is the living room.
Look at the view from the living room window.
Oh, you can't really see it on the camera.
Oh,
But we'll show you from the balcony.
yes.
This place has 2 kitchens.
3 with the outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, 3 with the outdoor kitchen. 2 kitchens on the inside of this house. So this is like
And
the
a fireplace.
dining room with a fireplace. Yeah, so this is the small kitchen. There's like a stove and an oven and everything you need for breakfast. And a fridge.
Are you going mental?
And a dog.
Who's going mental?
So yeah, through this door you get to the outdoor space where we just were. So here's kind of like the outdoor dining space, which is quite big actually.
I mean, it's a 3-bedroom house, so you kind of need
2
dining
kitchens.
areas this big. Yeah, 3 kitchens. 1 per room.
Okay, let's go downstairs.
They said, oh, feel free to just have a drink. But here's everything and anything. But how would you even dare taking someone's champagne?
So yeah, this is the downstairs, and it's kind of like the main dining area, I would say, because here's the
It's the breakfast place.
yeah, because here's the bigger kitchen.
Here's just everything. Oh, I could have a coffee right now.
Yeah, me too, actually.
Let's do one. There's also a door outside into the garden. That's just huge. You go through our own olive trees and things here. This way leads up to the pool. Or that's the pool, but goes to the garden. And now let's show you upstairs. One balcony.
Which is facing the front yard. And then the master bedroom. And
A secret toilet.
a secret bathroom with shower and everything.
Yeah, and here is a gym in this house, but you have to pay extra for it. We're not really people that work out, but because here is one, I want to go there. And this is the balcony.
So I cannot actually believe someone complained about the views.
I'm starting to wonder if I read it wrong, or maybe it was on translation. It translated it wrong, because I don't understand. Or did they think you would see more from the garden, or what is it? But this is just amazing. You can see a whole town. And they said in the evening, when the sun goes down there, everything goes pink. So they said you should lie here, have a glass of wine, look at the sunset, and I think that's exactly what I will do.
So there's also really high ceilings here, which just adds that kind of luxury feeling. And over here we got more bedrooms, which we don't need. But here is another bathroom and a washing machine.
Nice.
Which we kind of need right now because we've been on the road for 2 weeks.
Let me just quickly correct myself. Here's 4 bedrooms.
4?
Yeah, here's another one.
Right. Are we making dinner at 8 in the evening again? Yes, we are. Have we not eaten anything except breakfast today again? No, we have not.
We have been shopping though.
This is the receipt.
It's almost as long as my leg.
This is the receipt from us shopping for 4 days. We might have gone overboard.
No.
Just a little bit.
I don't think so.
But we're planning to not leave this place
Ever again.
ever again. We're moving in now.
Yeah, I'm
So
already planning my holiday here again. I mean, this is almost as good as a restaurant pasta, isn't it?
I cannot believe, and just look, big fire happening. What the hell is going on?
So we did pack all our things. Over there we got a massive thunderstorm.
So what should I do? we don't really want to leave just complete chaos. Maybe we'll sleep in the car.